Why is key performance indicator important? Key performance indicators refer to a set of quantifiable measurements used to gauge a company's overall long-term performance. Key performance indicators specifically help determine a company's strategic, financial, and operational achievements, especially compared to those of other businesses within the same sector. Why are key performance indicators important? Here are 5 reasons. To monitor company health. Key performance indicators are a scorecard for company health. You only need a handful of key performance indicators to monitor your company's vital signs. It is important to measure a few key performance indicators in each of 4 categories: employees, customers, processes, and revenue. To measure progress over time. Track key results indicators like revenue, gross margin, the performance of employees, and more. Set targets at the beginning of each year and each quarter and use key performance indicators weekly to measure your progress toward those goals. To make adjustments and stay on track. In addition to your results, you also need leading indicators to let you know when you're in danger of missing those targets before it's too late. Leading indicator key performance indicators to help you predict what will happen in the future and your future results. They are good key performance indicators to have on your dashboard to keep your projects on track. To solve problems or tackle opportunities. Use a combination of key performance indicators in a dashboard so that you have the right information at your fingertips to solve problems or tackle opportunities. To analyze patterns over time. If you measure the same key performance indicators quarter over quarter, you can begin to detect patterns in your numbers. There are countless ways these patterns can help you in your business. Maybe you can predict when your slowest quarter will be and use that time to do a system update or company-wide training initiative.